Rheological and dynamic mechanical characteristics of a butylene natural straw and polylactic acid biocomposites, a detailed study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In recent years, the requirement for environmentally friendly materials has increased to reduce the consumption of fossil fuels and prevent global environmental concerns. Recently, natural fibers have become attractive materials to engineers, scientists, and researchers as an alternative reinforcement for biocomposites. In this study, polylactic acid abutylene natural straw biocomposites with various abutylene straw weight fractions were prepared by melt blending. The differential scanning calorimetric (DSC) results showed a significant influence of the abutylene straw on the melting behavior of PLA, even at low abutylene straw contents. The dynamic mechanical analysis demonstrated that the storage modulus, as well as the tan delta of the biocomposites, increased when the abutylene straw content increased, which indicates better interaction between abutylene natural straw and PLA. The incorporation of abutylene straw into biocomposites provided favorable changes in rheology related to the matrix. SEM observation revealed good dispersion of the abutylene straw in PLA. The direct relation between straw content and tan delta also proved the better interaction between abutylene natural straw and PLA. However, the rheological properties decreased with the abutylene straw addition, the most significant effect seen again with the further increasing straw content. This study might be further extended to see the effect of temperature on the rheological properties. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.